One line on a map controls the modern world, 33 kilometers wide.
No explosions, no warning, just silence.
6 a.m. Tuesday, oil hits $126 a barrel.
Not war.
Not collapse, just a choke point closing.
The Strait of Hormuz, the narrow artery of global energy, had stalled.
Every plastic bottle, every medicine, every crop. At some point, it all passed here.
Open the map. Look at Oman, a thin strip of land, just 32 kilometers. From Gulf to open ocean, a straight line. But that line cuts through the Hajar Mountains. Massive, broken, unstable. A wall.
Deep inside the mountain, a hidden freshwater reservoir. Hit it wrong, and the entire project floods instantly.
Shorter than the Panama Canal, but infinitely harder. Not jungle, a solid mountain.
Two years passed, just studying the mountain. Because one mistake here could end everything.
At 40 meters depth, they found nothing. A massive hollow cavern, hidden inside the rock.
Plans were scrapped, rebuilt, 3,000 sensors deployed. Because you don't destroy something you don't understand.
Roads weren't built. They were carved into cliffs above the sea. Rock fell, and narrow paths appeared.
Before the canal, they built everything else. Water, power, ports. Only then construction began.
4,000 pages, 40,000 explosions planned. Every single blast calculated in advance.
The first blast was small, measured, observed carefully, because assumptions here could cost lives.
Then, the real explosion. 8 seconds. 50,000 tons gone. And just like that, the canal started to exist. A mountain began disappearing. At 120 meters, water appeared. Then, more. The mountain started bleeding.
50,000 liters per hour, pumped out continuously. Stop for a moment, and everything floods.
3 a.m. The wall shifts. 200 East Asian workers, including men and women of various ages, evacuated within minutes.
By sunrise, new designs in place. Thousands of rock bolts, holding the mountain steady. One unstable peak, 200,000 tons above Middle Eastern male workers. The solution? Move the entire canal.
Panama Canal, 10 million cubic meters. This project? 400 million. In just 3 years.
Lock gates built in South Korea, 3,000 tons each. Too large to lift, so they floated them in. Pulled into place, millimeter by millimeter. Engineering precision at its absolute limit. Ships don't just pass through. They rise, lifted over a mountain, like an elevator.
Dawn. No ceremony. A single ship enters, 300 meters long, moving silently forward.
For centuries, geography controlled the world. But this time, engineers changed it forever.